Hello everybody, I am Ömürbek Ashimbekov from International Ataturk Ala Too University. Today I am going to tell about the main theory of international relations, realism, which is essentially about power and security and the self-help system which was existed since ancient time, and it is still works in international politics. There are some realists that they all have come to similar conclusions about the characteristics of the international system of realism. They are such as San Tzu, ancient time, Thucydides, ancient Greece. For example, Thucydides, he analyzed Peloponnesian War between Athens and Sparta in 5th century. He dealt with the nature of war. Then Machiavelli wrote about a special power, balance of power, and the formation of alliances. His famous work was Prince, which was about expanding power in 15th or 14th centuries. Then Thomas Hobbes, Civil War torn England. He had pessimistic view of human nature. He preferred centralized political authority. Then Mao Zedong, Communist China. Then Hans Morgenthau, USA, 1950s. Morgenthau, he argued that human beings are evil by nature. They are born to pursue power and enjoy by power. And he argued that politics is a struggle for power. His famous work was Politics Among Nations. Then there are assumptions and arguments of realists, such as states are most important actors, unitary relation decision making, international system is anarchic, all states must pursue power to survive, states balance against threats, international politics are more important than domestic politics, value relative over absolute gains, high politics and low politics. First one, states are most important. Why? Because state acts or speaks with one voice, and the states are key unit analysis, and because it resolves any kind of conflicts between individuals and the groups and between other actors. Then unitary relation decision making. Rational decision making. States always think about its own interest. For example, states to get benefits, the most benefits, and with less possible cost. And as you know, in international relations, states are often considered as a unitary relations actors. Then international system is anarchic because international system is anarchic because there are no any higher authorities, so there is no international law that states must abide by international law and follow its principles, and all states must pursue power to survive. Yes, because the world is anarchic and a self-help system. For the reason of this, state must survive and increase its power, and the states balance against threats. Why? To survive, states attempts to enhance and increase its power by balancing power, by alliancing. For example, the best example can be Cold War between USA and the USSR. USSR kept 15 states as a commonwealth of independent states. And to be powerful and to be equal with USA, as you see in the picture. Then international politics more important than domestic politics. Yes, because as Morgenthau's argument, international politics is a struggle for the power. To understand the struggle. The next section, value relative over absolute gains. What does it mean? Absolute gains both sides in the international relations in a relationship gain something, both sides, and the relative gains means both sides gain something but an actor gains more anyway. The high politics and the low politics. Yes, high politics, what does it mean? High politics considers especially military strategy, and low politics considers especially economic and social issues in realism. There are useful and famous works of realists. For example, Peloponnesian War of Thucydides, The Prince, Niccolo Machiavelli, Leviathan, Thomas Hobbes, Politics Among Nations, Morgenthau. Today, Ömerbek Ashimbekov was with you from International Ataturk Ala Too University. Thank you for your watching. Join.